It's nice to be out of the house. Once in a while, it's really good to get out, see the world. Here I am. I decided to venture out into a pretty public area of Washington, D.C. This is the National Mall, and a lot of people are not wearing masks already. It is a little bit difficult wearing this and talking at the same time, or doing anything really. Anyway, what are we doing today? What am I doing out here? Well, I'm getting a breath of fresh air. It's good to take a little break, get up off the chair before I head back to my dingy office and record more videos for y'all, or work on some NativeScript projects. I'm currently working on a couple of projects right now, and I am learning a lot of new stuff, new techniques, especially with NativeScript 7 and Angular 10 coming out. There's some really good stuff to share, which is going to be something I'll be doing in the next few weeks and months. I'm going to be doing some updates, going over some finer details, some new requirements that are part of NativeScript 7 and Angular. But today I just wanted to take a little break and remind you all that it's good to take a break once in a while. Get some air going through your brain. Get some fresh, clean air. Get that blood pumping. It's gonna make you a better software developer. Now, since this is not a technical review or any kind of technical video, I thought I'd take a moment to just say that while this is still happening out in the world, it's a really good time actually to take the advantage of this and to learn new things. Especially if you're doing mobile development, this is an area where it keeps growing. If you want to create content that's educational, whether you're writing blog posts or if you ever wanted to start writing blog posts, this is a really good time to start. If you wanted to create videos, if you want to create your own video courses. By the way, this is what I've been doing for the last many years now, and I've learned quite a lot. So I really want to start sharing on this channel and in other places of what I learned and how you can start creating things yourself as well. For those that are interested, some of you have asked me, how do you create these videos? What goes into it? What technology you use? How do you edit them? How do you plan out video courses? Things like that. I'm gonna take this off. Nobody's around for, another maybe 100 feet or so. By the way, see that right there? That's the Washington Monument. For those of you that are not familiar with the way Washington, D.C. is laid out, there's actually an airport, which you can hear right now. The airport is about a mile or so that way. And the White House, where the president sits, is somewhere over there. That's the Lincoln Memorial right there. It's where the giant Lincoln sits. Anyway, you probably found this channel because you are interested in learning things about NativeScript. And if you are, there are tons of resources out there to get you started. There's the NativeScript Marketplace, so you can go over there to take a look at what plugins are available. There's also samples and templates there. I have a video about that right here on this channel on how to use those. The samples and templates area has been moved from the Marketplace temporarily, but they will be back. So just keep that in mind, and I'll post links down below of where you can find those right now. So that's a good place to start learning. There's also nativescripting.com, where you can get video courses, free video courses, as well as more advanced video courses that are premium. And we've got entire programs there for tracks that you can follow, whether you're doing NativeScript Core, you can go from beginner to master there, NativeScript Vue, or NativeScript with Angular as well. Good place to start learning. There's also the NativeScript book written by Mike and Nick Branstein. That's available as a free download. By the way, I did say that I'm going to start giving away NativeScript swag, so leave me a comment down below and I'll select a comment with every video, and the comment that I'll select will get some goodies sent to you guys. Alright, that's it for today. Just make sure you take breaks and get out and use this opportunity to learn something new. That's the gist of today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later.